Yeah.
Okay, so thank you. I'll announce his details so that you can all contact him where, when, how we will do the question and answer that you are asking us to do. Okay?
Okay. VP, we love you. We love you. We are here to support your father.
Salamat, Vice President.
Salamat,
Thank you, VP.
Dito daw yung permit. Okay. So, it's Giancarlo Kahinhinan. He is the Media Accreditation and Relations Officer. His contact number is +63 917 871 9511. Okay? His email is John JOHN .kahinhinan CAHINHINAN @ovp.gov.ph. Okay, so he register your email and contact details with JC, and then he'll give you the time today on how we can do the question and answer. Just give us space so we can do what they are asking us to do. Okay.
Thank you
VP,
very
we love you. We love you. Stay strong, VP.
So that you can send something to wherever you need to send your information. First off, we'd like to thank the Dutch Ministry of Foreign Affairs. They have assisted me in my arrival here in the Hague. And then we'd like to thank as well the Philippine Embassy here in the Netherlands for their assistance as well. And we'd like to thank the support of our kababayan here in the European Union and around the world for former President Rodrigo Duterte. Yesterday, there was a conference with lawyers, and we are here right now trying to access the former president. Okay?
Ilan po ma'am yung lawyers?
Okay. So, we'll do another Q&A. Okay,
later. Thank you.
Ma'am, we love you, ma'am. We're here for you.
Salamat.
And yes,
Senator Robin Hood.
Salamat po sa pagpunta nyo, lalo na sa mga kababayan natin.
Thank you po.
Yes po, Senator.
Narinig naman yun po yung mga pinaliwanag ng ating mahal na pangalawang Pangulo. Maliwanag naman po yun. Kami po ay nandito para una, siyempre, sigurado natin na nandito yung ating mahal na ating Pangulo. Yun po muna.
Yes po, yes po.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
God bless. God bless the Philippines.
Laban.
Atras muna tayo.
Atras muna tayo, guys. Let's respect. Thank you, everybody. Ano po?
Nagpalo ako ni mo gahad.
Salamat, salamat ate, salamat kay, salamat ate. Salamat kay ate, welcome. Thank you ha. Nice to meet you. Sige lang. Relax lang ha. Relax lang ta ninyo guys ha. Relax lang ta. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa atong cooperation. And Moto guys, very surreal and I'm so emotional to actually hear our Vice President in front of her. Grabe guys, oh my God. Please pray for our Vice President, our former President guys. We deserve our they deserve our undying love and support. And please, wag nyo namang i-report yung live lang guys. Please lang. Kung if it's possible, let's just be cordial. And nandito po tayo sa labas ng ICC. I don't know what to say, but I'm really shocked right now because I'm too emotional even to make a statement, or I don't know, it's just so surreal. But I know that this is an historic occurrence because we are here in support to the former president of the Philippines. And yeah, sinabi na nga ni VP na there will be a meet and greet, but wala pa po yung location, as to the location, but it is confirmed na it's going to be on the 23rd of March. Hindi po kami papasok, but may iba po talagang papasok sa loob. but we are patiently waiting here outside the ICC. This is the International Criminal Court, everyone. So thank you sa live updates. So please wag nyo namang i-up para naman tayo makapanood tayong lahat. You are a modern hero. Yeah, thank you. All that means a lot. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I am doing this because it's important. Thank you, sir. Naanasad mi diri sa imong live. Yes, ari mo diri as ako ang live kay para kita tanan makakita ta unsay update gyud, live update. We are here outside. Nanalo sila sa gawas. So ang update is this, ang atong Vice President nag-request sila of sort of space for them to collectively prepare para makapasok sila inside. And sana po ay sir, murag security to ni Robin tong jacket. Pwede pakihatag or jacket. Kuan. Unsa daw? Saan ako pagkabas? Sir, murag security sa man jacket. Pwede pakihatag og jacket kay super lamig. Man. Wala man ko nakadalag jacket actually. Wala ako nakadalag jacket to be honest. So extra na jacket. I didn't knew. Murag security sa okay. Wag niyo naman pong masyang ano. So, ano lang. Yes, I think my friends from the media na nanonood ng live, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung video as much as possible. Yeah. Okay. Delete. No. No, you are not allowed to go in pag wala kay katong link. Wag. Yeah. Wala po ko nag-apply. No, because kung mag-apply mo, okay ra sa inyo. Basta ako, I want to stay outside because natin mga kababayan ba na I want to be with them.
Ang suway, mag-apply sa kuan, iba-init, wala mo may karasel.
Oh. Kay VP yata na aman Tumblr. Okay, yeah.
Yesterday,
Abot, ugun saon ako siya pagkuhan ng jacket, no? Just kayo lang po ang kinausap ni VP. Ibang media. Saan daw? Ibang media sinabihan lang no comment. Hindi na, daghan may ato actually. Daghan mi ato nagpalibot, but it's just
magkakaroon ng pagkikihaharap po si dating President Rodrigo Duterte sa judges
Sir, are you not cold? Do you need a jacket? Okay.
It's okay.
Sige po. So, it's okay daw. Ako siyang gipangutahan na kung cold siya or dili. But, yeah.
pangalawa, sabihin sa kanya,
Guys, okay.